Just got the transmission replaced in the Jeep Wrangler. Here's the mileage, 107,410. Transmission temperature is 174. And unfortunately, I'm having to film this while driving because it's still maxing out at 4,000 RPM. So you can see here the temperature of the vehicle is up to operating temperature. Okay, no check engine light whatsoever. And as soon as I get to an area where I can accelerate safely and bring it up to over 4,000, well, I will try to bring it up over 4,000 RPM, but just brought it back, I think yesterday from the Jeep dealer with the new transmission, and unfortunately it is still doing the same thing where it's not allowing the RPMs to go over 4,000. And right now I'm going downhill, so give me just a second here. And earlier, you saw my earlier post, same thing. I was on the freeway going back to the Jeep dealer. And this is after two diagnosed, an earlier diag fee last year, and then another round this year. And unfortunately, the new transmission's gone in. It's smooth. It's smoother than the last one with 107, but still hasn't resolved the problem. So here we go. Okay, you see it's in second gear, and I have the vehicle floored right now. You see there's second gear. The gas is floored all the way to the, as far as it'll go. You can see that the engine is not going over 4,000 RPM. It's like there's a governor installed. You can see that I manually selected to shift down. There's number 2 in the gear selector, and it's just not going above 4,000 RPM. And took my foot off of the accelerator. Engine has plenty of power. I'm not getting any misses from the engine. No abnormal sounds. Again, no check engine light. But it's stopping exactly at 4,000. Well, the RPM is showing 4,000 on the dash. And again, flooring the accelerator, I've got no additional power above 4,000 RPM.